It's very cold out here, but I need to do a proper break-in on this Kyosho. Let's fire this up. The ride height is actually quite good. If you lift it in the back, look at that. You could see the wheels pretty much way below the chassis. You know, this is a very good all-road style car. So yes, I did raise the ride height on this. Obviously, it didn't come like this out of the box. Oh, what's in this box right here? Well, it turns out I got myself a little bit of a care package just today from Brian Schumann. Let's see what he put into the care package for the Nitro gang. So Brian Schumann, thank you, man. He included a very cool vintage Kyosho fuel tank. What's great about this fuel tank, if you notice, there's a cap on one of these fuel lines and a fuel line on the other side. So that means, yes guys, this is a fuel tank that you can mount the pickup on either side. So even on the bottom where the fuel comes out, right, to the motor, you have a left or a right side for fuel pickup. And for your exhaust line on top, you also have a left or a right side. And of course, a super sickening and highly appreciated fuel primer. Thank you for that, Brian Schumann. But that's not it. He also sent me a Traxxas pipe. So this is supposed to be for my HPI Nitro Rush build. Unfortunately, this exhaust header seems like it's seen better days. I need to come up with some kind of rubber header system, you know, for my HPI Nitro Rush. But the pipe, I'm pretty sure, will somehow be used. I'll figure this out. I just need to create some kind of flexible coupler. Let's fire this up. To remove this awesome Acura NSX body, there are other bodies available from Kyosho. Amazing chassis, man. You see that ride height? This is what you call proper, adequate ride height, guys. Look at that shock travel. All right, 2-speed, of course. Beyond sickening. Let's turn it on. Radio check. Okay. Electronics are very good. Gonna raise our idle trim a little bit for it to fire up easier. Very nice and easy idle adjustment on the radio, right? You have a direct throttle trim knob here. Okay. Going to prime it just a little. My hands are basically almost frozen at this point. Okay. Just saw fuel right here in the fuel line. It's gonna fire up, my dudes. It's gonna fire up. We got ourselves a 2-speed right there. By the way, these also come with a pre-oiled air filter. I mean, you just gotta love this Kyosho, guys. Look at that, idling on the table. I'm not even worried about it falling off. We have adjustable, oil-filled aluminum shocks. beyond sickening right here. I'm going to do a couple break-in tanks. I don't know, my hands, man. I can't even feel my fingers here at this point. Oh. I can't even notice. Motor is nice and cool. This thing could idle forever, it seems like. Very nice. Kyosho did a great job on this model.
Racing RS4 and it will never